Well, we're back, everybody, with the daylight and oh shit. Fuck.
You made it.
Well, high five. Best shot of 2015.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's finish this up. Yay!
Wait.
Let's cry! Hermione! Brandon, back away from the mic. We're not doing that. We're just gonna stay like that up on the mic.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Is this water?
Brandon, that's period juice. You probably want to get out.
She ain't like that.
Look around and choose your own ground.
Cemeteries.
I feel like I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bless me.
Was that a real sneeze or just?
That was the real sneeze.
No,
I'm not fucking with you right there. That was a real sneeze. Oh. Where is that whore?
Wait, what is that?
A whore.
Dude, you see that right there?
That light thing?
No, you see that little, it looks like a stick figure.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's go investigate it.
Oh, it's just a... Oh. Ah, fuck me. Let's... No, don't you turn around. Don't. Yeah, there's the hanging people.
Nah! Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe.
Meow.
Meow. Where is she? Where is she?
It's getting closer.
Alright, let's just go. Let's go.
She wanted to see where she was, I'm at. We could go see. Ooh.
Who let the owl out? Who let the owl out? You get it?
Yes.
You get it?
Yes. Yes.
How you doing? Who are you talking about?
What the hell? I'm serious. Shut
Shut
up!
the fuck up, you slut.
That's...
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
You will get the dick in a moment. Shh, what's that? Alright, what are you saying?
I thought there was... Wait, where is everything? Oh, here's something.
It's a gazebo. I think. Hey, Brennan, do right. There we go. Alright, you ready to cry?
Oh, hey, another one.
Another one.
I can't read that.
I don't care. Just go. Go. Just go.
Just go.
Squeeze me.
Tuber.
Can you go?
You actually can see her walk on here. I don't want to go in there.
Do you have any flares?
Yeah.
Oh, there was one.
Luke, I'm afraid to grab it. Luke. We're in here.
Yeah, just do a speed run.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, we only have one more? Oh, Brandon, she's there.
No, she isn't.
He is right.
Yes, she is. Well, we needed a jump scare this episode because we're doing so good. Yeah.
Wow.
Shut up.
Only 5 minutes in. We're already bombing this. She don't got nothing on us. Okay. She might have something on us.
Yeah, she has a vagina. There we go, baby.
I love how she was like creeping behind me. If I walk. It even said run. Run.
If I was her, this is exactly the face that I would do. If I was behind you. This is honestly the face that I would do to scare you. You turn around and be like, I'll be like this. I'll be like this. Go. My goodness, she's just playing Ring Around the Rosie with your ass.
I think she is. I was wondering where she was. I mean, what's gonna stop us? We got 3 flares. I'm at. We're just enjoying a little run in the woods.
Hey Brandon, what's that one movie with the
Shut up.
with the cabin in the woods?
Oh, one movie.
What's that one movie Brandon talks about? The
Hey,
cabin in the woods?
no, dude. Why is
Can
she?
we go? Just run.
Hey. Do you remember that movie with the hospital?
Which one?
One that's abandoned.
No.
Hmm.
Brandon, get out the vagina juice.
Wait, what?
I might have to investigate it.
The vagina juice.
You said the what juice?
The vagina juice.
There's nothing around there.
What's that sound?
That was her.
It sounds like you're slurping up like the largest chunk of fucking ice cream. Like that spit went down the wrong pipe.
She just popped right there at that tree.
She wants this D.
She can have it when we get done.
Not mine. No, thank you. I don't want to have a cursed dick. My dick is not penetrating.
Trees. Tree.
Wait, I wonder if you can actually live with that.
A half moon. Like he says, Easter egg, but it's a moon.
It's a half Easter egg. Ah! Look at that tree. Can we go now?
Hey, she's right there. She just vanished.
Just go, my goodness.
I still can't find that last letter.
You for real.
There's the door to leave.
Ladies and gentlemen, this episode is just us trying to find a fucking...
How's the game doing this?
What do you mean?
You not notice the little screens that pop through?
Yes.
Man. Come on. Let me find the pages. Come on. Come on.
Oh my goodness. My belly
Ooh,
itches.
what's that?
Excuse me.
Maybe it's in here, but maybe we didn't check everything in here. Leave me alone, bitch. Hey, she's gone.
Hey, Brandon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, go on the other side of the fence real quick. And then look at the cemetery. People's dying to get in there. She's especially dying to get in there. Go.
Oh, that's her making that noise. I can't find this letter.
I came in like a...
Letter.
Letter. You can't find your letter.
I can't figure out Blue's Clues if I can't find my letter.
We just found a letter.
No, we haven't found that yet.
letter. We just found a letter.
'Cause
Now we're
you're
going
really
to die.
Cuz really smart.
No, cause we're going to die.
Mm.
Now we're going to die, not cause. Now we're going to die.
That-
Oh, there it is. Are you
Found
fucking
it.
real?
Thank you. Just let me have it. Hey.
Let him have it. Let him have the fucking letter. Now can I sing it? We just found a letter. We just found a letter. We just found a letter. Now we're gonna die. Yay! We just found a letter. Are we going now? Go to the fucking thing.
I was waiting for her.
Go, just go towards the thing.
Luke.
I want to be over with this game.
Luke.
Yes.
I can't find the door. I can't. Oh.
He can't find the door.
No, shit, not door. Shit. I can't find the hospital.
Hospital.
Hey, bitch. Yeah, hey. I'll shoo you away.
Wait.
I shoot her away.
Turn around and look at her. Yes, ma'am, can you help us find the way to get out of here? Hello? Somebody help us get the fuck out of this game.
That's something. That was been something to say at the very beginning of the game.
Well, you know what? I'm no longer scared. I'm just tired of this damn game.
You want it to be over with?
Yes, I want it to be over with.
I do. Right. Oh, I found it.
Oh my goodness.
Let me go in here. Thank you.
It's beautiful. There is no escape. I can see that now. I am going to die.
This is how you're supposed to hold a baby.
It sounds like I'm trying to say gar, but it sounds like I'm trying to say the last part of cigar. Gar.
If you just follow this, it will lead you to the door. This map's freaking huge.
Run the designated route, he says. It'll be okay, he says. She will never find us, he said. Bullshit!
I think I found it. No, that's just another dead end. It's like she's playing track. This girl must have had to been playing track. She's got good stamina.
Stamina?
Look at her. She has not stopped running yet.
I thought you said stamina funny. You're right. It was.
She's still running. God dang.
Track star woman, you sprint. Go! It is super effective.
Stuck.
Brandon, that's a tree.
Found
Still
it.
running.
Oh.
Hopefully. No. I think we already passed it.
Oh my god.
I'm running. I'm running.
Run faster.
I'm running.
Run faster.
He is running faster. Still running.
She's still running.
Mm-hmm.
It's a her.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found the door.
Yay! Yay!
We won. God dang.
How do you know we won?
Because.
Excuse me.
I think we should go down there this time.
No, let's not.
Thank you. He's.
Careful. They become more impatient, looking for ways to tempt you.
Better. Oh shit, this is hurting me.
Do you see? See what they are doing? Sarah, do not again fall into the blackness.
Alright, let's not go back into the dark abyss.
But there's probably more rooms.
Yes, hello Jimmy, hello Johnny, hello Sarah, hello Fanny. I don't know, what did I just say, Fanny? Oh my goodness. I just want this game to be over with.
So you're getting scared now, that's why?
No.
You want it to be over with?
I just want it to be over with.
Hey,
y'all.
guys.
Yes.
What?
I won.
He won.
Yay! We're done!
Lives in all of us. Round and round.
You telling me to run?
Never seen the beginning.
What the?
I want it to be over. Just go to the right.
Hello, 13.
Hello, 13. Who's 13?
I don't know.
We don't know.
You remember, don't you? Your poor mother screamed, gasping as she brought you here. All that time spent hiding to protect you, failing to protect herself. All that time, sick and wandering, only to be brought back here to die. How her heart sank, pulled her in, knowing in spite of you.
Sir, I think you got an issue. Sir, I've never been here in my life.
Really did.
Sir, you got the wrong person.
Yeah, you do, because look to your left. That's your right. Left. I said left. Look to your left. There's books. Brandon's never been here.
Even when you didn't know.
And I guess that's the end of this episode.
Well, everybody.
That's
This is
the end of
the
this
end.
episode. Wait. And I just want to thank our special guest,
Me.
Cleveland,
I'm here.
Brandon, and myself. Now we're done.